Hello everyone, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Today, we are going to build a mobile app using PHP. Yeah, you heard that right. A mobile app using PHP. I know, some of you are already like, how the fuck can we build a mobile app in PHP? Isn't PHP already dead? And honestly, you're not wrong. Because yeah, you couldn't build mobile apps with PHP until two absolute badass software engineers decided to wake up one day and say, fuck, let's build mobile apps with PHP. And that's how NativePHP was born. So what is NativePHP? It's a framework that lets you build native mobile apps using PHP, and it was created in 2023. Now, at the beginning, NativePHP wasn't fully open source, especially the mobile part, which had a paid license. But in February 2026, everything changed. The whole thing went fully open source. So now, we actually get to play with it. What I personally like about NativePHP is, first, the documentation is actually clean, like surprisingly clean for a new framework. And second, you can use pretty much any front-end framework you want. Vue, React, Next.js, Nuxt, pretty much any framework, except Angular, because it's so trash. And that's kind of crazy, because most mobile frameworks are like, use our way, or suffer. But here, you've got freedom, and that's exactly what makes this interesting. Now, let's go ahead and start building our first app. First, open up your CMD and create a new Laravel project by running composer create dash project Laravel / Laravel native -demo. Then wait for a few minutes until it's done. Make sure you have all the requirements shown on screen pre-installed. If you're not sure how to set them up, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. After it's done, we go into the project folder using the command cd, and then we open it using VS Code by running code dot. Now we open a new terminal in VS Code. We must start by installing the Composer package for NativePHP by running composer require NativePHP / mobile. Next, we can go and install the NativePHP package using the artisan command by running php artisan native :install. You might be prompted for a few things. You can go ahead and use the default value by clicking the key enter. Once that's done, let's open the vite.config file, then head over to the native PHP documentation and go to the development section. And copy the same lines into your vite.config file to make sure we import every necessary package. Also, don't forget to install your npm modules by running npm install. Once the node modules are installed, go ahead and install the Vue.js Vite plugin using npm install at vite.js / plugin -vue at latest, since we'll be using Vue for the front end and Laravel for the back end. Finally, add the Vue plugin in vite.config. Then open app.js and add a few lines to get Vue running. Now, the app is basically ready. But to save time, I've already built a simple to-do app using NativePHP. It's on my GitHub, link in the description. You can clone it and follow along or just build your own.
Many months later.
So here's our app. Everything is ready and in place. Now go to your terminal and start your PHP server by running PHP artisan serve. In a second terminal, run npm run dev so we can have our Vite server running. Last but not least, open a third terminal and run php artisan native run -- watch. This will start the emulator and launch the app. If you're running it for the first time, it might take a while, so be patient. Also, make sure your SQL server is up and running. I'm using XAMPP, but you can use whatever you prefer. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Devlog was here.